Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get into today's daily trade recap for June 7th, 2023, Wednesday here. Really good day in the account. We netted $1,896 to the good. All winning trades today. We're going to cover those with you as well in just a minute or two. So we had 6 trades close, all winners today. So we keep rolling along, having a great week so far. Wednesday is always our biggest day of the week because that's when we close our weekly strangles. So we'll touch base on those. Before we jump into the trades, let's take a quick look at where we are on the account as well today. So today our delta has moved up a tad, still 160 delta, not a really big deal on a $270-some-thousand account for this portfolio. So this is the Income Navigator portfolio. There's right now 274,000. We started with 30,000 in this account 3 years ago. So continue to move it up, but delta's at 0.06, super low delta. Our theta creeped up a little bit today, 678 theta. We took a bunch of trades off, put a bunch of trades on. We'll go through that. We have a lot of trades we added. So it's a 0.25 theta. We're still stuck under that 0.3. I'd like to get closer to 0.4. Just having trouble keeping up with all the trades that keep coming off right now. Net leg pretty much hang in there today, mostly because the Amazon trades that we had drug us down a little bit on the unrealized part of things. Really kept us from moving too much higher on the day, even though we closed a lot of trades to the good. BPUs 142,840, which is a 52%, so we're pretty much right at the 50% mark. We did have $1,896 in realized gains today, so that takes us totally for the week. Right now, we're up to $3,000 in gains for the week. We still have 2 days to go. So let's see how we do the next couple days. If we keep that up, if we drop, we increase it. We'll see where we head to. Those are open trades. Also, we closed, again, those 6 trades. We're going to cover those in a minute, but I also put on a bunch of new trades today. So 7 new trades, a couple call butterflies, a couple put butterfly, some new strangles, a elite put, and a put spread. All trades that we put on today in the account. So a lot of stuff going on today. Let's just get into the daily trades with you. First trade up was a RUT call butterfly. We closed for $81, small winner today. We bought this RUT call butterfly yesterday for $1.85, sold it today for $2.66. The reason we closed it was because I saw that RUT was running higher, and RUT was already at the center strike in this call butterfly. So even though this thing didn't expire until June 9th, we had 2 more days in this trade. I didn't want to run the risk of RUT blowing through it, so we closed it. Usually that's a management period for me as well, is if we're early in the trade, but the stock is moving and it hits the center of the tent, the center strike, I would typically close the trade for the winner at that point in time and move on. Still was a nice 43% return in 1 day on that trade. We just didn't have a lot of contracts on. We'll take $81 in a day. Next trade, and that it was a ROKU bull put spread. So we sold ROKU to open back on June 5th. So this is only 2 days ago. We did the 53.48 put spread. We opened it for 69. We closed it for 16 cents. Today, only 2 days in this trade, 76.8% premium capture in 2 days, and a 12.3% return on margin. So great return on this one, $318 to the good in just 2 days. So we nailed that one as well. Next trade here, one of the weekly strangle trades that we take off every single week. We put these on at around 90 DTE. But we put one on every Wednesday, and we take the most profitable of the 4 we have running every week off. So this was the most profitable one we took off. We opened this back on 5/10, closed it today. 6/7, 28 days in trade, so exactly 4 weeks. We always have 4 of these stacked on, 1 a week. Once we get to 4, we always take one off, put one on. We opened it for $12.20 credit, took it off for $5.70 debit, which was a 53.3% premium return in 28 days, $650 to the good. We do these every week. We average around 2,400 on the gold strangles every single month, 28% return on the margin on that trade. Likewise, we also do the same exact trade using ES futures. So we had the ES strangle on. We put that strangle on back on 510, just like the gold one. So we used both of the oldest ones today, put it on for 23.5 cents credit. We closed it for $13.25, 28 days in trade, just shy of the 50%. We got 43.6% premium capture, 15% return on margin on this trade, $513 this week. Again, we average around $2,100 to $2,200 a month on these trades. So together, we make about $4,500 or more every single month on these trades alone, which for some people be a fantastic return. But for us, it's just one of the core strategies that we employ. Next trade here was another core strategy of ours is our LEAP puts. We closed our American Airlines, our AAL January 19, 2024 LEAP put. We closed these for 30%. We put this thing on May 17th, 55-cent credit. Closed it today, 39-cent debit. 21 days in this trade. Got nearly our 30% due to the rounding of the closing price, but 29.1% premium capture and 8.2% return on our margin in 21 days. Took in $128. These are just good little passive trades. We always have a bunch of these working. Then we also do these in SPY, and I put these on every Monday in SPY. And one of the leaps we closed today was a SPY 335 leap. Put it on for $6.88 back on 522. Closed today at 482. We were only in this trade 16 days. Got our 30%, really 29.9% premium capture and a 6.1% return on margin for a $206 winner on the trade. So all in all, we tallied up $18.96 on these trades. A great day in the portfolio, and we're up $3,000 on the week already. So doing fantastic, and we're up over 4,700 and almost $50 in just since June 1st. So in 7 days, not all trading days, we only had in the 5 trading days, we're already up almost $5,000 in the month of June. So excited to see where we get to. Love our positioning where we are. We're in great shape with our delta, our theta, and our net lick, and our BP usage. So moving right along. If you like this, you like these trades, you want to learn a little bit more, feel free to comment, ask questions. Go ahead and like this video if you would. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Love to have you as a member in the YouTube here. I'll try to share as much as I can with you of trading strategies, all the trades that I'm putting on a daily basis. So if you like this, go ahead and subscribe. Have a great evening. Take care, everybody. Enjoy a great rest of your day.